Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Monopoly Go. So let's get started. Open the Monopoly Go app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. Opening the Monopoly Go app on the homepage will look for those three lines in the top right corner of the screen and click on them. And then on the next page in the drop-down menu at the very top of the screen, you can notice your profile picture. Click on it. The application will open a new page and offer you next to it. Your profile picture's other avatars you can see by scrolling down. Once you've chosen a new profile picture, confirm your choice. The game will update your profile with a new picture. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your profile picture in Monopoly Go and give your profile a new look. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more game tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.